how to use the JMA-KM-01 test adapter for UXP-KR-38S-01 connectors. Attach the 2.2-5 female test adapter to the spectrum analyzer, securing all RF interfaces to the appropriate interface torque. Clean and calibrate the 2.2-5 female interface as required by your standard work procedures and analyzer manufacturer's instructions. Thread the JMA-KM-01 adapter onto the 2.2-5 female interface. Torque the JMA-KM-01 adapter using the TQ-916-F6 wrench. Install the UXP-KR-38S-01 connector onto the appropriate cable per installation instructions. If the connector is installed in a cluster housing, remove it from the housing. Insert the UXP-KR-38S-01 connector into the JMA-KM-01 adapter until the tabs on either side of the cap are inside the adapter. Turn the cap 90 degrees clockwise to secure the connector into the adapter. You may now test the connector per your work instructions and limits. To remove the connector from the adapter, turn the cap 90 degrees counterclockwise and pull. When all testing is completed, the JMA-KM-01 adapter can be removed by unthreading it from the 2.2-5 female adapter.